Ziwpizye.shop is widely considered a high-risk website, and it shows several classic signs of being a scam. While it presents itself as a legitimate retail store, there are numerous red flags and user reports that suggest it may actually be part of a larger network of fraudulent e-commerce sites. Major red flags include deceptive products. Many customers report receiving items that look nothing like the pictures shown online. The quality is often described as cheap-looking, or as a flat version of the 3D or quilted items advertised. Another warning sign is the hidden return policy. Despite claiming a customer satisfaction guarantee, users say the site refuses returns for poor quality products and does not honor its promises. The site also uses templated designs that are common among scam networks, which frequently change their domain names to avoid being shut down. Here are some quick safety tips if you're considering a purchase. Watch out for prices that seem too good to be true, vague About Us pages with generic text, and contact information that either doesn't work or leads to a residential address or warehouse. The verdict? Proceed with extreme caution. It is strongly recommended to avoid sharing your payment information with this site.